Ni hao, konnichiwa, salute, bonjour, zdorowa, merhaba, konnichiwa. Yeah, how you doing? Well, I'm just printing away, as you know how everything goes. And after about 3 days of printing, I was able to finish up this print here. This is the lighthouse. This is exactly called the Elders Lighthouse. I'll put a link to the download page if I can find it again. I'll put a link down there so that you can go and download it yourself and print it. This is a really beautiful print. This one that I have right here, this is well, let's say when you download it, you get a package. You have two different sets in there. You have one set that is 3 parts, normal, the bottom part, the lighthouse, and then the roof. And then you have one that's called high quality. A bit smaller when you open it up. I'm not sure, because I've printed this one. This was the high quality one. I raised it up 300% so that it's a decent size. And yeah, I don't really see any difference. And after talking to a colleague that printed the normal one, you don't really see any difference at all, he told me. And well, I am planning on printing this one, but yeah, we'll see. I hope I can mix up the colors correctly so that I can get some nice colors to print this, because I only have, thank God, our grocery store, they had some sales going on, and for €1.99 I got this package of brushes. As you can see, look okay to print something like that. I hope okay. And then at another week, it wasn't the same week, it was 2 weeks apart, I got this one. As you can see, acrylic paint, 100 milliliter bottles. You have white, yellow, blue, red, and black. Normally you should be able to get every color you want out of that. I hope that'll work. And before I forget it, let me get something, because I'm going to need that too. Yes, there you are. So-called painter's scaffold. Well, I got 2 of them right there. I ordered these. I think they were somewhere around €1.99 or something like that a piece. They're hard plastic so that you can, I think, wash them out with no problem at all. Yeah. And unfortunately, my wish, well, let's just say I received the package 2 days ago, the Elgato Game Capture HD, installed the software, connected that thing to USB 2.0 port, then connected it to a USB 3.0 port. Windows 10 will not recognize it at all. I don't know why. Software and everything's installed. No idea. So, what am I going to do now? I already listed that in eBay to sell. Hopefully I'll get it sold soon enough so that I have enough money to buy a Logitech 920 camera. because the 525, well, it's okay, but let's just say the video quality could be a bit better, and I think y'all will agree with me in that. Yeah, but anyway, right now my D9, it's printing, no problem, except for the bed leveling. That's something I have to do on the fly, manual, every time. I will not say, you know, that the D9 is a wonderful printer. Let's just say after I finally get the 2 updates done on it, well, we'll see how it's working, and if it's working good, I'll let it run a month or so, and then I will make a final review on the one-how duplicator D9 with a 300 by 300 by 400 print format. But anyway, hi, I'm back. As you've seen in the first part of my video, that was a couple of weeks ago. But in the meantime, let's just get it down from the shelf here. So here it is. Now you can see the back side. Here's the side with the staircase. And there's the rest of the staircase. And as you can see, if I bring it a little bit closer, you can see also the rocks, the stones here, they have a little bit of green in them for the moss, you know. Yeah, and this is all hand painted. Here's the trees. Couple of different shades of green. Unfortunately, the light is not doing its justice, but yeah, I hope you do like it. There's the house and the tower, and it's still in 2 parts because I'm going to, as soon as I can find some kind of a set of LED lighting, I'm going to put some LED lighting in this, because there is enough room down in the bottom where battery pack, and then I'm going to make one in Tinkercad, battery pack that'll fit in here, maybe with some kind of a push button switch or something like that, because in this opening right here, like a cave, well, if I get the switch in the right position, then all you have to do is just take a pin or something, pencil, and push the switch on or push it off, all depending on what you want to do. Yeah, but here it is. I hope you like it. Because I have showed it in a couple of my live streams, and everything seems to look nice. Well then, until the next time, I do wish you all happy printing. Have a nice day, and take care. Don't forget to subscribe, like, ring the bell so that you'll be notified when the next video or next live stream comes up. If you have a couple dollars extra, my wish list, a link to my wish list is in the description with everything else. Okay, take care.